There's a mad genius at work. So I'm gonna make myself like a scalloped potato, like potatoes au gratin. So it'll be a mixture of a Miracle Whip, mayonnaise, some Kraft cheese, whiz, Parmesan. It'll have onion and garlic, and then I'll have real garlic powder as well, salt and pepper. And then I'll actually put in shredded cheese instead of how I usually use the traditional Kraft powder cheese that you would do with KD. And then I'll probably top it up a little bit with some ranch dressing to give it some good flavor so that it's not a typical scalloped potato. It should taste pretty good. But the reason for this video is don't forget to fry up your skins. All the vitamins for potatoes are actually in potato skins. And when I think of the waste around the world of all the potatoes that are peeled and all the skins that are thrown away, it just really wrenches my heart and my stomach for all the people that starve every day, that are hungry, who are really skinny, who could use the vitamins in order to have muscle built onto them to help save their organs and keep their heart strong and all that other stuff. I just shake my head. I think about all the restaurants that could be serving potato skin fries as people wait for their meals after they've ordered them. And maybe the meal they ordered would have potatoes in it. So they have to peel those potatoes and serving them. The skins that go with it, flavored or not, would just help our planet so much and reducing waste and giving more food with nutrients in it that we need to eat. So I wanted to make this video to let you guys know as often as possible, don't waste your potato skins. Give them to somebody else. Go find some place where they do free food, free meals. Give them the potato skins fresh that day right away so they can make them and serve them up right away. If you're volunteering, do the same thing. Remember to cook up those skins. Or cook them up yourself and then go find people to feed it to. Because they will be grateful, happy, and would love to take your potato skin fries with all the vitamins in it off your hands and put them into their tummy and feel good. So I'm going to cook up my potato skin fries, which will warm my life up, warm me up. I'm going to have it with my coffee, and I'm going to have my scalloped potatoes later with like a piece of my leftover roast and who knows what. As I try to get through this last weekend, working towards when I get my, refund from my lifeguard course and move ahead, hopefully from there, getting things back to where they should be financially based on what I lost since coming back to Gatineau. Okay, so that's my thing. See y'all later. Peace out. Bye.